If you've seen this vegetable chopper all over TikTok, there's a good reason why. It's a total game changer for meal prep. Meet the Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper, the original slicer that makes chopping, dicing, and slicing effortless. Whether you're prepping a quick salad or an elaborate meal, this chopper will save you time, effort, and mess in the kitchen. Equipped with razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blades, the Fullstar Pro Chopper cuts through veggies like butter, diced potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, onions, and more with minimal effort, thanks to its heavy-duty construction. The soft grip handle and non-slip rubberized base provide better control and stability. Chop with confidence on any surface. Plus, the built-in catch tray eliminates mess, making cleanup quicker and easier than ever. No more chasing diced veggies across your counter. And when you're done, just toss the dishwasher-safe parts on the top rack for effortless cleanup. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a pro chef, the Fullstar Pro Chopper is a must-have for fast, easy, and precise meal prep. Check out the link in the description to grab yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen must-haves and time-saving tips.